Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, Tech for Hire here. Sorry I'm a little scruffy. I've been pulling my hair out trying to figure out where this oil leak is coming from in good old Sheldon, and I finally figured it out. As you can see here, this is not the valve cover. It's a replacement valve cover. Now, why would I need a replacement valve cover? Very good question. Let me go ahead and turn this over, and you can see there's the original. Well, on the underside of here, you have these two little spots, and those are on the counter side to where the ignition coil goes. So if you torque these to factory spec, you don't have to worry about it. It won't penetrate. But here, these are not the factory bolts. So either they are missing the grommet that goes here, or these are metal spacers, which are not factory, but I'm assuming they figured put that on there. This will be long enough and it won't be a problem. Unfortunately, it is a problem, because what it did is when they tightened them up, it cracked these. The bolt went all the way through, and so you had oil that was able to penetrate up through the bolt and out the top. And I was wondering when I was switching this out, like, why I had so much oil in the back. And you have oil down in, my hands are over here, oil down in this valley right here. When I started the car, I started getting oil down here, and I had cleaned all this whole area up. Well, it's because it was shooting out of this bolt hole and out onto here, and it was spraying everywhere. So I had to stop what I was doing. You know, I put new spark plugs, new spark plug wires. I made it look all pretty. It's all clean. And I have to take it all off now and replace the valve cover, because once you crack those, there's no fixing it. So I had to order a new valve cover. This one's slightly different. It's got a little bolt here to hold the PVC unit on, whereas this one doesn't. So I don't know what year this is from, if this is a newer one or an older one, but it's gonna work. And as you can see, this is the problem here. This one broke off and this one broke off, which is allowing oil to go through the valve cover and out the back side. Isn't that pretty? It's all blue, it's all pretty. Now I'm gonna switch it out. So wouldn't you know, after I finished everything up, got it all buttoned up together, in the mail, I got the new bolts. Well, they're not new, they're used, but you see a difference in these guys, okay? So this one has a sleeve on it. You have a spacer at the top, spacer at the bottom, rubber grommet. This is the one that I had. So you could just tell it's slightly longer right there. And so after I tightened it up, it broke through the bottom. So, but these are the bolts you want. These are new spacers. I'm gonna clean these bolts up. They're a little rusty, kind of nasty looking. So I'm gonna clean these up. Originally, I wanted to wait until I got the ignition coil relocation kit, which actually moves it about 1/4 of an inch. But I just got a shipping update. It's going to be 3 weeks because it's coming from Great Britain. So I'm going to clean these up, put these on the car, and at least I'll be able to drive the car for a while. And then once I get that spacer, I'll just have to take the coil off. So it's not that big of a deal. But anyways, wanted to give you an update. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Until next time.